welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. And today I'm going to be talking about preparing my pantry for another potential shutdown due to the virus. So I am not a conspiracy theorist by any stretch of the imagination, but there's a lot of buzz out there that we will experience some food shortages through the fall and winter months. And so I am a person that tries to always be prepared, and I'd rather err on the side of caution than to not be prepared. So I'm going to get my pantry ready, thinking in terms of a 3-month supply of non-perishables and things like that, and specifically focusing on those things that disappeared during the shutdown that we had over the summer months. Even though the grocery stores never fully shut down, in my area, they ran out of certain areas, and to this day, those areas have not been replenished. So if you're interested in seeing how I'm preparing my pantry, or maybe you're thinking about doing something similar, maybe this will give you some inspiration. So let's get started.
Now, I started off by taking everything out my pantry. I didn't get any video of what the pantry actually looked like before I took everything out, but trust me, it was pretty much a mess. So I took everything out, and this gave me the opportunity to look at every single thing that I had in the pantry, check for any expiration dates and that type of thing. That now I've got my empty shelves here. Now, one problem that I have the wire shelves, and I had some that were kind of bowing due to the weight of the food. So I had someone come out and reinforce my shelves. This was a perfect time to do that, to make sure that they're strong enough, since I'm going to be storing more food in there. So here are my finished shelves, and you see that there's wood over to make them stronger. All right, so it's time to put everything back in and make sure that everything is organized. I purged quite a few things that were beyond expiration date, and I also was able to create a pretty good list of the few things that I needed to pick up. I didn't need to get a lot of things, but there were some staple items that I wanted to make sure that I was stocked up on, such as rice, vegetable broth, pasta, beans, things like that. So I did make sure that I had a full supply of all of those items, and my condiments. Tuna was another one that I wanted to have plenty of, so I do have a small little stash there of that, and beans, and you know, just certain snack items that I like, and pasta sauces and things like that, because those are the types of things that disappeared off of our grocery store shelves back in March. And they started to replenish them, but now I'm noticing again that those items are starting to be more and more scarce. So I'm not sure what's really driving that, but I do want to be prepared in any event. So I feel good about the stash that I have. Like I said, it is all non-perishable items. So, you know, if we don't experience a food shortage, or, you know, everything is okay, then I just have food to last me for a little while and won't need to go back to the grocery store. No harm in that, right? So tell me, are you prepared if there is a food shortage? How many weeks, months supply of food do you have in your home? Is this something that you're concerned about or that you are planning to do? Drop down in the comments and let me know. I'd love to hear if I'm the only one. Thanks so very much for watching. I hope that this video was inspirational to you and thought-provoking, because if it's something that maybe you hadn't thought about, but maybe this is something you're thinking, yeah, maybe I better do a little something, then definitely go ahead and do that and get yourself prepared. Also, if you have seniors in your life, you know, make sure that they are well stocked in their homes as well. Your parents or neighbors even, you know, we have to look out for them as well, because they really should not be going out to the store. So everybody think about other people as well, especially during these times, you know, that we're going through right now. It's pretty rough, you know. So hope you enjoyed the video. My name is Sandy again. This is a lifestyle channel where I share all things home decor, shopping hauls, pantry organization, clean with me. I do a few cooking blogs here and there and some DIYs. So if that's something that you like, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a video. And if you are a returning family member, welcome back. I'm so happy that you stopped by today. I hope that everyone has a nice day and that you and your families are being safe. Thanks for watching. Bye.